Morning. You are listening to S.N. Chakravarti of Chakravarti's IAS Academy, who is speaking on how to score higher in UPSC mains with PSIR as optional. There can be two targets in UPSC mains: satisfactory performance and competitive performance. Only the second type of performance can take an aspirant to the next level of screening. Optional paper has a major role in pushing one scores higher level. Believe me, making your score competitive in political science optional paper in UPSC mains is much easier than what you may think. Follow these 10 steps that I am suggesting. 1. Be absolutely thorough about the structure and content of the syllabus and section-wise detail of the topics of both the papers. 2. Be regular, systematic, and methodic in your preparation. Focus on 3 stages of learning: reading, understanding, and writing answers. 3. Start with some basic reading materials, which can be a combination of books, notes, and maybe some web-based materials. Then add on to the list carefully as and when such need arises. Remember that no one single book or note finally will fulfill your all needs. 4. Newspapers, journals, digital communications, and various media coverage bring out lots of contemporary national and international issues and concerns. Record them carefully, note them in files, and this information can be used in both your Indian government and politics of paper 1 and for the entire paper 2 very, very fruitfully. 5. Undergo coaching in a center of your choice, but reconfirm that teachers have time for personal attention to you. Proper coaching will definitely make your understanding of various topics easier. 6. Identify a teacher and mentor that can guide you well through the entire preparatory phase. 7. Prepare notes in your own language based on your own reading and your understanding. 8. Learn to use citations, examples, and quotations as appropriate in every answer. Some of your preferred quotations and citations you may use repeatedly when you are writing answers in test series. Even some of the great person's quotations you can memorize so that you can reproduce them in the answer sheet without any error. 9. Undergo test series but confirm that answer sheet checking and feedback session are done with due professionalism. 10. Don't keep any part of the preparatory work or preparation pending to start after the PT. After the PT, time is very less. So start early and make your foundation solid as early as possible. Then use the post-PT days to further fine-tune your answers and to strengthen your grip over the subject. When reading, please ensure that no idea, concept, and specific context in which a political subject is discussed goes out of your notice. So, therefore, read slowly and between the lines and words, and don't leave it until you have full clarity. You must learn each topic in such way that you develop confidence to answer any question on that specific subject from any angle. For example, you must understand the concept of justice of Plato in such way so that you are confident to link the concept of justice with his concept of education, philosopher king, property right, and other things. And you must do it in at absolute ease. And if you follow these steps sincerely, be sure you will score much better in PSIR than you think now. Thank you very much.